Dhanamanduri University Students' Union continue with its relay hunger strike demanding appointment of regular Vice-Chancellor, Registrar, Controller and staffs for the university and also to declare the exams for PG and UG courses. Speaking on the sidelines of the hunger strike that was carried out in the front of Administrative Block, General Secretary of DMU Students' Union, Takhil Mayum Dijen, said students are facing lots of inconveniences due to non-declaration of exam results. They cannot carry on with the process for further studies as they do not have required certificates. Relevant authorities have also been ignoring the demand for appointment of regular VC, controller, registrar, and staffs for the university. Dijen further maintained that students will continue with their protest until relevant authority comes out with a positive response.
ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯪꯒꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯊꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯚꯤ.ꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯖꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨ.ꯖꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄꯤ.ꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯨꯜꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯪꯒꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯨ.ꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯄꯔꯁ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯤꯠ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯛꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯗꯛ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯅ 10,000 ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯁꯤꯃꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯅꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ